So this just came in. You know, one of the things, I'm in the New York City area, and one of the things I do like about New York City, I still like to get away from other places because the city, you know, sometimes gets to you, crowds and traffic. But one of the nice things is that you can actually get something delivered in one day. So I had this delivered. I ordered it in the morning, and it was here in the afternoon from Best Buy. And I think they just picked it up from a store because they didn't even bother putting it in the box. They just tagged the outside with removable tags. You know, so be careful removing it because I don't like to ruin the box. They'll just put the label for shipping right on the box. It was actually shipped exactly like this. So let me open the box. And the reason I purchased it is because it's a nice looking wireless charging wireless phone charging. I don't have an iPad to fit on it, but wireless phone charging device, Qi charger. It's not fast charger. It's 5 volt, 2.1 amp, and I think, correct me if I'm wrong, fast charging starts at 18 watts. Nicely device. That's the reason I actually purchased it. It's a wireless charger and a lamp. I forgot to say that. Okay, this is everything that comes inside. Let's unpack it. Fast forward. That was a pretty fast unpacking. This is the actual power supply. It comes with a brick. I was hoping it was USB. It's a power adapter. I don't like these because it's hard to keep on a wall. I usually put this on an extension cord because of the fact that they come off the wall outlets very easily. Gravity tends to pull it down. I think the adapter is heavier than the device. The device seems to be pretty light. If you're interested in measurement, you're going to put this at a specific location and you have to measure. And I'm going to, this is the info. I have a picture of this at the end. Just in case you need to get this adapter if you've lost it. Like I've said in the past in my videos, what I do with this is that if I do end up keeping the product, I write on the power adapter bricks with a Sharpie in black or in silver, depending on the color. If it's black, I'll use the silver Sharpie. If it's white or a lighter color, I always use black. So that way when this gets separated from this, I'll know what this is for. But also you can come back to my video and see the actual adapter info. And again, I'll have pictures at the end. Let's just measure. Let's just weigh the actual device. So the power adapter itself. 5.4. So we have the thing out. Let's weigh the actual charger. 12.1 ounces. That's the actual weight of the device. So now let's take a close-up look at the device itself. Well, first, you know what? Before we do that, let's measure the cable. So 6 feet, that's a decent length, 6 feet long. And now, let me just measure the actual area that the charger that you place your phone on, it's about almost 4 inches. And about 7 inches thickness, about an inch. About 9 inches. By 9 inches. Three-quarters of an inch thick. Now, actually look at the device itself. I'm a regular guy, regular user. I just do videos because I give the view of a regular, non-professional user. I like to buy gadgets and I started doing videos. I like a lot of gadgets. So it has additional USB, probably for charging, and the power port to plug in. It has vents. I'll have pictures of this at the end. These little feet things here. And this is the actual lamp itself. It's supposed to act like a night lamp also, so it's you can set it at a very low setting so that you can still sleep while you have this on. Or I'm sure you probably could just turn it off. We'll plug it in and try it out. Really light. Nice looking. Where I'm going to use it. So let's plug it in, turn off the light, and show you the lamp. I'll get my phone too so I can put it on there to charge. So product warranty card in here. I have that at the end. Yep. So the USB is for charging another phone or another device from USB A to whatever the device connection is. At the end. Please correct me if I'm saying it wrong. OttLite. Phone number. Then I'll have this at the end. Now let's plug everything in. Okay, put my phone on there. There we go. I had to move it around. Now it's gonna come on. Yep. Okay, so it's working, turning green. So in order to turn on the lamp, all you have to do is touch the outside of the lamp. On the right, left, or the top. It doesn't work at the bottom. Just the top, the right, the left, and then the top. So it has 3 settings, 3 light settings. I think that's the brightest. No, that's the next brightest. The brightest off. So it's just 3. Low. Medium. High. And again, you can just touch any side you want. Low. Medium. And it's just a tap anywhere. High. And then off. Anywhere along the bar here, you can do different settings. Anywhere along there, you just touch it. And the phone is, I believe it's charged. Again, it's not a fast charger, standard charger. You can't just put it anywhere. If you move it around, see? I moved it all the way to the right, the light's not going on. Light has got to turn on for the contact to be made for the charger. It's really, really nice. This is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And I'm gonna try out the lamp, and just let you know at the end how I feel about the lamp. Low, medium, high. Off. Low. Let me turn off the phone. You can get an idea of how it'll look in the bedroom. Count to 10. And then we'll do the medium. Count to 10. And then high. Count to 10. Pretty nice. And then I really like the lamp and the wireless capability. It's a nice lamp. You can just turn on and just keep it on when you need light. Alright, so let me come back to you. I'm going to try it out for about a week and let you know if I find a place for it, and it's, if I actually am going to keep it. If I find a place for it, I'll keep it. If I don't, I got to find a use for it. I really liked it. It's an impulse buy for me. I just saw it on sale at Best Buy. I think it was about $20, and I really liked it. So I'm hoping I find a use for it. Okay, let me get back to you. So after a while, I just decided that I have absolutely no use for this. It's a nice looking device. I really like the concept of wireless charging and the lamp. And I want to tell you also one of the main reasons that I'm looking to return it. I didn't realize, I thought I paid $20 for this. It was another item I purchased from Best Buy for $20. Anyway, I paid $40 for it. So it's, I think, $50 right now, or $60. It's a really nice looking lamp. And if it fits your decor, this is perfect. You can get a wireless charger while you get a lamp. And the ease of use so that when you're going to bed or whatever, you just touch any end. So no matter what direction the lamp is facing, you can access it from your bed, and you can just touch it on the side, on the top, or on the other side, whatever have you. And I gotta say, it's really pretty. It's really nice looking. And it does a decent job charging. I have absolutely no issues whatsoever. It does a great job doing that. The little light's going, it's red. It's not fully charged, I think. It should turn green in a moment or so, because I think I have like 99% charge. And it's a nice looking device. I really, really like it. I wish they would have used like a USB-C, USB-A to USB-C charging. That way, you know, I don't have to plug it into I have a USB hub near my bed. So that way I don't have to hold on one moment. I don't have to have access to a power connection. And another thing is that since this is so large, this is an adapter I have, but if it's so large, depending on my situation, I might take up both outlets like that. You know, that happens. If they don't have access to one or the other, they have to use both. But it does right now for here, but on my other outlets, this is not the case. So that's the situation. So I wish I would have done like a USB-C. It would have been nicer to have that. That's probably one of my only complaints is that break. Besides that, I really, really like it. I do. I just really have absolutely no use for it. It's really nice. If you're looking for a nice wireless lamp charging combination, this one's working just fine. No issues whatsoever. The light is nice. The light is soft, not harsh. You could read with this light on, so it's pretty cool. But besides the fact that I only have 2 reasons I'm returning it, like I said, I have absolutely no use for it. It'll be put away until I find a use for it. I already have something on my end table, so I don't need it near my bed. The price is kind of pushing me towards returning it. It's kind of too expensive. Anyways, this is a regular guy, just likes to buy gadgets and do videos on them and share my experiences with others. Alright, I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. Thank you.